Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Kodi buffering problem in 2025, the easiest fix. So first of all, you need to open a browser tab and search for cloudworks.net, and then after coming to the home page, you just have to click on the three dot here, and you just have to scroll down and click on the search bar and search for Kodi buffering here and enter, and then you can find the article that is how to fix Kodi buffering issues in 2025. Here will be five ways to fix Kodi buffering issues. So let's just scroll down, and first of all, you have to increase your Kodi cache memory size, as you can see from here. And for that, you have to open Kodi and go to settings, cog, then go into services, open the caching tab on the left. If you don't see the caching tab, go down to the bottom left corner and click the cog says basic and standard until it switches to advanced or expert. In the caching tab, you have to click on memory size and choose your ideal number of MB. And the second method is you can use a VPN to prevent ISP throttling, and you have to sign up for a VPN and then download and install the VPN app on your device, and after that you have to connect to a VPN server nearby. And the third method is you have to get real jailbreak, like paid method. So first, for that you have to go to the real jailbreak website and register for an account, and after that you have to log in and purchase the plan. And then you have to open Kodi and go to settings and then systems and scroll down to add-ons and click manage dependency and find and click the URL resolver in this list. The one we found is called resolve URL, and after that you have to click on configure, and then you have to look through the universal resolvers tabs until you find real jailbreak, and click on the priority tab and change the number to 90. Click done and then OK. And after that you have to open up the universal resolver tab again and go back to the real jailbreak tab, and then click reauthorize my account and go to the URL shown in the tab and enter the code given. This should integrate your real jailbreak account with Kodi, and then you can reduce the HQ scaler percentage, like stuttering issues. You have to just enable HQ scalers for scaling above, and for that you have to open settings, then go to the player tab in the bottom left corner. Make sure the settings cog fits expert. You can change this by clicking on the cog, and after that you have to go to the videos in the bar on the left and scroll down to processing, and then reduce the SQ scale from 20 to 10%. And the last option is you have to clear your Kodi cache. So for that you have to click on the settings cog on the Kodi home screen, then click the add-ons tab and then go to install from repository and click the free repo on your chosen repository, and then click on program add-ons and then open and install the Creo wizard. If you get a prompt about installing a build, ignore it. Open the wizard and go to maintenance, then cleaning tools, then select clear cache and let the tool do its work. So that's it for this video, guys. See you on the next one.